If you thought that SQL was just for websites, you're missing out. Watch what happens when Python MCP meets SQlite. The official Python MCP clients don't come with memory built in. In an earlier video, I showed how to add basic variable-based memory to the MCP client. Now let's take it further and see what happens when we connect Sqlite as a memory database. This changes everything. Let's look at an official MCP client reply when we ask about the conversation history. We see it apologizes that it doesn't have access. Let's ask the MCP client coded with the SqliteDB connection. You can see it explicitly says it has access. How? Let's see. We will look at the query flow in the Chatloop method in the MCP client. When the client is asked the first query, the query flows to process query and the response is received. The received response, along with query, is stored in database. Every time the user queries the client, the history of previous conversation is appended by reading the Sql database. System prompt in the process query method informs the model that it has access to history of previous conversation. The create or connect DB method establishes the connection to the database if it exists, or else creates it. Here are the three methods that makes it possible to connect MCP client with database. Code for create or connect DB method uses SqliteDB connect function to establish DB connection. The cursor executes the create table if not exists query and commits it. This method is run only once when client is started. Save history method inserts the received query and response into the database table. Read history method reads the table contents, formats the data into text format, which can be used by the model as context. Process query method contains the system prompt, which informs the model about the history as shown here. You now know how the other MCP clients retain memory. If you've used MCP clients like Claude Desktop or C-Line, you already know a single client can connect to multiple servers. In the next video, I'll show you how to unlock the same multi-server magic using the Python MCP client.